text language po?
I do, because I frequently text or send text messages.
So you use it often, pero not always.
Well, it depends on the context. Especially, for example, I'm sending a message to a superior, let's say to my chair of the Department of English, so I don't use textis lingo. But if I send text messages to a friend or to loved ones, you know,
Pero so siguro po aware kayo na super dominant ng text language.
yeah, and I think textis lingo will be there as long as people keep on texting. But if you'll ask me if it's bad, you discuss the article by David Crystal in your class, I suppose, to be or not to be. So now we believe that textis lingo, or the use of textis lingo, is not a form of linguistic assassination, but a form of linguistic creativity. So it's in fact, according to David Crystal, it enhances one's proficiency, and it does not negatively affect spelling proficiency.
Sir, parang ano pong naiisip yun na bad disadvantages sa society na paggamit?
Well, I think if I give very specific examples, you know, for example, students. So sometimes they use textis lingo even in formal discourses, written discourses. For example, when they write academic papers, they also use contractions, they also use textis lingo, they also use abbreviations, which is inappropriate. So I think that's one of the disadvantages. Students use textis lingo regardless of the writing context, or even in the context of speaking. So for example, although people probably they just would like to make fun out of it. For example, they would say ayoko or dito nami, musta na you, or so even in daily conversations, I think textis lingo is also often used, which to me should not be the case.
Okay po, sir, that's all.